Welcome to Tactical Tuesday on Business Agility Now, the podcast powered by Scaled Agile. I'm your host, Adam Mattis. Every Tuesday, I'll share a quick, easy-to-implement tip to help make your time at work a little bit better. Let's get started.
Hello, everyone. My name is Steve Adolph, and I'm a strategic advisor with Scaled Agile. And my technical tip for you is please follow up on your improvement experiments that are coming out of your retrospectives and your problem-solving workshops. One of the great problems that I've observed in so many of my clients is we enthusiastically come up with a whole host of the ways that we could try to get better. And then they're promptly forgotten about, or they're not followed up. And so we don't have any opportunity to learn, did the change we made, did the thing that we tried to make the improvement actually make a difference? And maybe it's part of fear that, well, we did the experiment, we put the work into it, and it failed. Okay, let's remember, experiments don't fail. Yes, we may not prove the hypothesis or the outcome, but we learned something. I always like to quote Thomas Edison, who said it took him 10,000 tries to find a light bulb. And he said, I didn't fail 10,000 times. I discovered 9,999 ways not to make a light bulb. But each outcome helped him learn. And so this is my tip to you. Ensure that you follow up on your improvement items. When you're in your retrospective and you say, let's try this in the next iteration, or you're in your problem-solving workshop and we're going to try something in the next PI, follow up. Did we realize the outcomes? If not, what did we learn? Remember, Agile is a learning system. So that's my technical tip from Steve Adolph.
This episode is brought to you by the 2025 SAFE Summit, Sorrento, Italy. Want to meet experts and grow your network in a stunning setting? Register now for the 2025 SAFE Summit, Sorrento, Italy at safesummit.com. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like what you hear, please refer us to your friends and colleagues and subscribe to the show wherever you get your podcasts. I'm your host, Adam Mattis. See you next time.